Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the breaks in MS Word. So is divided into two parts. First one is the page break and another one is the section break. If you apply a page break, then you cannot format different pages with different formats. But if you apply a section break, then you can apply different header footers, different watermarks. So the both of them are different. So first we will see a page break and then we will see the section break. So I have one document over here. So I will convert the view of my document to the two page and I will reduce the size, and you can see here multiple pages I have in my document. First thing what I will do, I will insert the page number. It is not needed for the page break, but it is needed for the section break. So I will just apply it and you can see all have a same section. Now next thing what we'll do, we apply a page break. For that I will go inside a page layout. There is option of break. If you see, there is a page break and it has a three types over there, and there is a section break. First we will see the page break. Now what I want to move this whole data to the next page. So what I will do, just I will put a cursor over here. You can see I will put a cursor over here and go to the breaks and click on the page break. Now you can see whichever data was here, it will be on the next page. That is, it will shift from the page number 3 to 4. That is the page break. Next one is the column break. For that I have to create a column. I will create a column inside my document. Now what I want to move this column to the next column. So what I will do, I will put my cursor over here, click on the breaks, click on the column break, and that column will shift to the next column. This way you can apply a column break. Next one is the text wrapping. So if I have some text inside the document just like this, if I put a like one image inside the document, now here you can see the text is wrapped. We will change the view. Yeah. So the text is wrapped over here, and if wherever I am moving it, the image is wrapped with the text. But what I want the image either above the text or below the text. So what I will do, if I want this text to be below or above, just click over there, go inside a page layout, click on the break and click on the text wrapping. So now you can see that point comes down and the image has its own space. In this way you can create a text wrapping break. Next one is the section break. For that what we have to do, we have to click where we want to create a section break. So first I will click over here, and if I click on the break, then what will happen, if I click on the next page, then it will go to the next page and section is created. If I click like this, so now you can see if I click on the header, this is section 1 and this is section 2. In this way the section is created. Next one is the continuous. So if I click over here and create a break, but it will not go to the next page, it will continue on this page, but section will be created over there. Just click over there and like this. That means the continuous. It will not go to the next page, but it will create a section over there. Next thing what I want is the even page and the odd page. So if you are creating some book, at that time this even page and odd page is required. So if I put a even page and odd page somewhere here, mm, if I select like this, So if I want this or this portion on the even page, now which page it is? It is on the fourth page, right? So if I click over here and click on the break and even page, it will shift it to the page number 6. Now here you can see page number 6 and 7. This one is page number 4. So in this way you have created a break in the even pages. So what will happen if you create an even page? That doesn't mean the in between page number is removed. When you go inside a file and print preview, and here you can see the page number 5 is empty and 6 is there. So while printing it will create like this. That means the page number 5 is not removed, only it is kept as a blank. So that is the use of odd and even section break. Next thing is what, when you create a section break and after creating a section break, the work which you have to do, it is done. Now you have to remove the section break. So for that, what you have to do is go to the home tab, click over here show and hide. If you click on that, you can see here section break written over here, wherever the section break is there. Now here you can see a section break is there. So if you want to remove it, you have to just click over here, go inside a replace which is available in a home tab. If you click over there, just select it, replace. If you put over here replace, now this is a page break I have and this is a section break I have. So I have a 2 section break and 1 page break. So if I want to remove the section break, what I have to do, I have to just put over there, click over here, more, special, section break and replace all. So now you can see here Word has completed its search of the document and it has made a 2 replacement. You have to click OK, close this, and you can see here that section break which we have created is removed just by using the replace option. What you have to do, you have to just click replace, click on the spatial, and here you can see a section break. So there are multiple options. If you want to remove the page break or something like that, you can also remove that by using this. So this way we have created a section break, page break, and we have removed the section break also. Thank you.